This wasn't the most interesting video, but it's ready. Made the sliding doors. They could slide a bit easier, but I guess over time that will work. And yeah, it's a bit of a difficult material to work with, this OSB, and then in a grate that's really bad. But we managed, and I put some stuff in here. It's just everything that's laying around that had to do something with the hobby that I put in. So there's my model boats, there's some guitars, there's some percussion material, some things that remind me of the days that I was cycling. So some things, some little trophies and things like that, and then some photo material, and well, everything I needed to get off the ground, get out of boxes and put somewhere. And this is going to change probably a lot over the time, because some things will be restored or worked on. I don't think I'm going to do something about the boats, because well, in a few years, you know, there's so many things to do that this will be, well, later on somewhere. It's something I did when I was a kid, and all the radiographic stuff isn't allowed anymore. I think that's in here. Nowadays you got new frequencies, so too much to invest, because one of the boats like that one has like 12 channels, so it's pretty expensive to have a thing. And I hope I can get these servos, you know, reconnected with some new material, you know, a new receiver, and I don't know. But that's for the future. Maybe the first project probably will be this little boat here, which is made out of metal, and I'm seeing some kind of, I don't know, some kind of maybe rusty old thing that I could make of it that could actually go on the water, you know. Well, we'll see. Yeah, and now I've got some room, so this whole corner is full with stuff that needs to go on this wall. So now the rest of the room is almost empty. I can start with putting the OSB on the wall here with insulation. I cut the OSB plates to 61 centimeters wide instead of the 122, because I just couldn't get them up. These three that are up here was already so much trouble together with Miriam, my wife, to get them up here. It's too heavy, so I cut them in half, so it's more usable, easier to, you know, get upstairs, easier to handle just by myself. So that's what I'm going to do next, make a wall. I'm not going to film that because it's the same as here. It's putting buttons on, insulation, put the sheets on, paint it. So we'll do that first, and then when I'm going to put all the guitars and things on that, we'll start videotaping that again, and then see on the other side of the room where there has to be like a corner cabinet, and we're going to make that, but it only has like 2 shelves, I think. But that's for another video after this one, I guess. So for now, thank you for keeping up with this rather, I don't know, boring video maybe. And oh yeah, one thing, I put the LED strips in it, and they make enough light for, you know, when the lights are off. Excuse me, otherwise you won't see them. They're battery operated, and I only got a few old batteries, so they will be brighter when I put new batteries in there. But I didn't want to have all kinds of cables, so there's just 3 little pin light batteries, and then this whole thing lights up with some remote control, so that's fine. And that's going to be around the whole ceiling. So, and there's going to be a light fixture up here that's going to be different. So a lot of things to do, but this video was just finishing this cabinet, and I think the black and the walnut are okay. I have to do some little repairs when I damaged with, you know, putting all the things in and stuff like that. So some little things to touch up, but for the rest I think it's fine. I'm happy with it. Everything's inside the cupboard, so you don't have any you know, stuff laying around, except from all the guitars that I still need to go on the wall. And I've got to find a place for my keyboard and the drum kit. It's all got to go in this room. So follow us along, look at the next video and you will see what solutions we come up with. So for now, thanks for watching. At the logo. And it's 40 degrees outside and I don't have air